Hi all, welcome to John's Bottle Making. Today we've got the Dalek, yes, issues 5 and 6. Excellent stuff. Here's a little beauty up today. There we go with the eye stalk and that left light dispenser. Yeah, we're going to test the right light dispenser today, and we've got some exterior panels to put on that dome. Now if you haven't had your deliveries yet, don't worry, mine was late. I received mine on Sunday and I received 2 packages from 2 different postmen. Figure that out. I think it's Royal Mail that actually book it into the system, and that's when you get your your tracking number sent to you by email. I'm still waiting for my Lancaster bomber. That was processed on the 7th, same day as the Dalek and the Batmobile tumbler. I've received these 2, but I've not had any tracking for the Lancaster bomber from Royal Mail, so it's just a matter of wait and see. They must be just very, very busy. But anyway, let's start with stage 5. Okay, now stage 5. As per usual. Oh no, we're not. We've got the Dalek Civil War on page 4, and Adventures in Time and Space page 6, Anatomy of a Dalek, the Special Weapons Dalek, and Step by Step Build part 5. There we go. I wonder how many times it says Dalek in these magazines. I'm not sad enough to go and count it, but I think I probably will do. There's Sylvester. Yep. Can't remember which Doctor he was, to be honest. 7 or 8, I can't remember now. But that was 1988, 5th of October. Or was he 6th? But anyway, looks brilliant. And the Special Weapons Dalek. Wow, that is some decent weathering on that. And here we have the Dalek Dome, outer panels and energy dispenser light. So basically we test the light. First off, you can see they've got glue on those, but there's no glue on mine. And then we put that bulb on top of the light itself. There we go. We don't actually attach it, but we attach the panel with AM screws. And there we go, that is it. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the portals. There we go, those are the parts, so we might as well test. Put them to one side, those are the AM screws. Let's give this a test. I'll plug that in there like so. There we go, brilliant. There we go. You can see that plugs in alright. Brilliant, looking cool. Switch that off, and as always, pull it out via the plug, not the wires. There we go. Pop that to one side, and then we can pop that on. So that's that part of the build completed. Looking cool. Put that to one side. Now we have this panel to fit. This is side panel 5A. Okay, look, and that goes here. Let's see if we can push that into place. A bit of a gap there, but let's see. I don't know whether we're supposed to have a gap, but we have got a gap. Let's check the magazine. Yep, we're supposed to have a gap. Right, well, we need to attach the screws now. 4 AM screws. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 AM screws. As always, pop a little bit of oil onto the screw. There we go, that's the panel in place. An awkward screw or two there, but yeah, there is a gap all the way around. Oh well, still looks cool though, mind you, but doesn't look like that's going to close up at all. Well, there we go. Right, let's move on to stage 6. Okay, now we have stage 6. Issue 6, The Time Vortex, Dalek Time Travel, Adventures in Time and Space, Day of the Daleks, Part 1. anatomy of a Dalek, the gold Dalek, what we're building, and how to build the next part of your Dalek model. Excellent stuff. Daleks are in trouble. It's like Frankenstein. John Pertwee. Yeah, brilliant stuff. The gold Dalek. There's the master. And here we have the parts. Outer panels and energy dispenser light. So we have side panel 6A, 6B, diffuser for right, energy dispenser, and 4 AM screws. Oh, so we pop that on first. That is basically it. Okay, look, so we don't do anything with that. Coming in issue 7, another panel for the Dalek dome, housing for one of the headlamps, plus all the fixings that you need to attach them. Let's have a look at this. I'm looking for gaps up here. I wonder if I get a trim or something to cover it in. It doesn't look like it. Well, anyway, let's get on with the build. Okay, here are the parts. Okay, those are the parts. That is the panel. That we can't do anything with, so we'll just pop that to one side with the light bulb. We do need the AM screws, and we do need the dome. Now, there's 3 screws for this. That will fit just there like that. You can see there is a gap. Yep. It looks like all of this is going to be gappy, basically. Right. Well, I need to hold that. Let's pop a little bit of tape on there for now. That should hold that whilst I get the screws out. Now we have got a spare screw from previous, so we'll get this one in, and the bottom ones, or the top of the dome, are the most awkward ones. So we'll screw that in first. Okay, let's get these 2 in. There we go, let's have a quick look at that, get the masking tape off. Oops, I'm going to have to secure that somewhere. Well, there we go. That is the panel in place, and as you can see there are gaps. So it's all going to look pretty even anyway. Excellent stuff. Right, I think we'll give this a test. Okay, I've dimmed the lights. Let's switch it on. There we can see the light dispenser. Now we need to switch. We need to switch on to take a feel for the switch. Where does the switch come? There it is. Excellent. Looking cool. So I know all that is working perfect. Brilliant stuff. Excellent. So there we go. That is stages 5 and 6 complete. So there we go, guys. Looking cool. Is it not? Brilliant. Absolutely loving it. Yeah, this is going to be so big. Yeah. We do get sounds with it as well, don't we? We've got our, exterminates and others. My little Daleks do exactly that. There's how many phrases? I think there's about 8 phrases altogether. Some from the movies, obviously, others from the TV shows. But that'll be cool. We get all that as well as. So, yeah, but it's looking fantastic. It's going to be a problem later on where actually to store this and then how to film it as well, because it's going to be so big. But that's my problem, not yours. Anyway, I hope your deliveries come soon. You should get a tracking number today at least. Like I said, mine was late. All of my deliveries this month are late from Hachette, but it is what it is sometimes. Nothing we can do about it, just got to be patient and wait and see. But anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to pop along to HachettePartworks.com and get involved with this cracking build, because if anything, the kids are going to love it, and it's going to look cool downstairs on your hard flooring and when you're playing with it in a couple of years' time. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.